Hello everybody, welcome back, and now we are going to add something else to our registration page. We're going to add a little area where we can tell a little bit about ourselves. So we have a lot of content on this page and it's getting kind of messy. So what we can do is to make it visually more appealing. On the left hand side of the text by the numbers, there's little minus and plus signs. If you click that, it'll hide the content. It's still there, you just can't see it. So it's pretty useful like that. So it still looks the same on the web page, and we can actually just close this entire paragraph. Whoops. Oh man. Yeah, so there's that entire paragraph which just asks for our birthday. Awesome. So now we can add something else. And we can first just put a paragraph tag, end the paragraph. All of our content is going in paragraphs. And just like always, we're going to create a label to associate the element with the text we give it, and so forth. Comments. Actually, no, sorry. Let's go, instead of giving comments about yourself, let's make it mini bio, or biography, pretty much. That's what it's going to ask for. Now, in order to do this, we could give a text box input type equals text, and then when we look at it we could type in a little bio here, but that's really inconvenient and small and we can't really see it that well. So what we can do is we can give a new type and give it a text area. Here's what a text area looks like this. Check it out, HTML code within the text area. So we can create a text area, and then we can end the text area. We have to end text area. Text area, text area, text area, text area, text area. Alright, awesome. Now we can give the text area a name. We can make it bio. So if any other scripts reference this, it knows that bio is talking about the information we put right in here. So if we reference bio, it's going to take this content, hello, my name is Caleb, and it's going to do something with it, like put it on our profile or display it to other people who are interested in me on my dating website I'm working on, which I'm not really working on a dating website, but if I did, it would do that. Yeah. So yeah. So that is how you create a text area. You can give it a name and whatnot, but you can also give it extra content like rows. So let's see what rows do. We give it 5 rows. Well, that gives it 5 rows. Let's give it 6. It makes it taller. That's a really big bio area. So I'm going to give it 6. I think 6 is good. And you can also give it calls or columns. And let's give it, I think, let's go 50. Boom. No, too fat. Let's go 30. Yeah, perfect. And actually, I think it would be nice if the mini bio was on top of it right up here. So I'm going to add a little break right here. That's why the break tag is pretty awesome. So now it looks really good, and we can actually extend it a little bit farther. Let's try 40. Too tall, too far, I mean. 36. A little bit less. Let's go 34. Boom. That's like almost perfect. Awesome. So now we that is what we can do with that. And we can also, I think, give it a max length, such as 200 characters, so we can type a lot. Hey, dude, what's up? I haven't seen you in so long. Blah 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 blah. Jesus saves. 1, 2, 3. Yo 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 yo. Then after a while, it will eventually, maybe, it might possibly, maybe stop. I don't think it's going to stop us. Alright, let's try. Let's see if 10 makes it any different. Alright, so 10, That's a little easier because it's shorter. I don't have to type 6 million characters. But if you need to limit it down to like 200, that's definitely possible. I may have forgot to refresh it. Maybe that's why it froze. But yeah. So we can add a max length, and so basically, yeah, that's the allowed. This is what is allowed: the name, the rows, the columns, max length, and a lot of other attributes that may be accessible to other things, such as we can give it an ID if we really wanted to, or anything like that. So yeah, that is a text area. You may use that in your future HTML programming or building or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's all I really have to say for this video. It's pretty short compared to the others, but I don't want to ramble on for 20 minutes. But you want to know something funny real quick? I was at work and we had some downtime. So I was studying, like, you know, HTML and PHP and whatnot. I was planning this series and I was so into it. And then like this girl came in and one of my coworkers talked to her. So I went back to studying and I was like so into it. I didn't even realize that the person who came in, I was in class with her for like an entire semester. So I felt like an idiot because I looked right at her and then I looked away and then I was like, oh no, I knew that person and I just completely ignored them. And then I was like, so stupid of me. So then when she came back eventually, I was like, oh, sorry for ignoring you. And then she was like, yeah, it's okay that you didn't recognize me. And I was like, no, I recognized you. I was just in my studies. Once I get into my studies, I can't get out, and I just can't. I'm sorry, and I felt like a total idiot. So yeah, that's my rambling session. That's all I have to say. So I will see you in the next video.